Hi everyone, it's Annika again, and today we'll be going to Ikea with some of my friends to just take a look at what's in there and maybe buy a few things. So join me! As you can see, it's very sunny today, but please do not let that mislead you. It's very cold. It snowed last night and I have to scrape some snow off my car. The snow was quite thick last night. Look at that! Whoa! That's a lot! The snow is so thick today. Look at that. I mean, oh, that's so cold. We have made it to Ikea. I'm with my friends, Princess and Rian. Say hi. We're gonna look for shit to buy. Automatic. Look, I'm gonna rip it. What? Get this for your husband. Ano comment mo?
Let's take it all. I like everything.
You get free pencils and a shopping list. We're gonna eat. Ano kaya?
Hi! So kami naman ngayon ang cameraman.
Yeah. We're getting cake. Nakasama yung plato. Swedish meatballs. Sarap kaya? So we're gonna try Swedish meatballs for the first time. It's mashed potato, vegetables, and balls. Well, that's on TNT. It tastes like normal balls.
What kind of balls?
Like hot pot! Hot pot! Na may gravy. Pero masarap na may gravy. Masarap yung mashed potato. But I don't get the hype. Tinayin ko yung sauce. Ayoko yung cranberry sauce.
So friendship, ano nang plano mo dyan sa dessert na take home ko, no?
Take home daw kasi. So, lalagay ko siya sa bag ko. Kasama yung plato. Diba?
Kasha?
Kasha. So, pwede naman siguro, diba? Diba? Sige na nga, kakainin.
Ay, tingnan na ganun siya.
Want to try also?
No, thank you.
We're now going downstairs to actually buy the stuff. Right?
Over there.
Let's go! This is giving me very Ace Hardware vibes. That's so cute! To make this trip fun, I'm gonna try pronouncing the names of things here in Ikea. Let's start with this thing. Stones. Galviva. Feasted. Jockmock. Rose are red. Violets are blue. What? How does it go again? I love you? You can say this one. Stockholm. So they have a photo area here to make arte. Am I gonna make arte? Do I wanna make arte? I'll do it. This is it. She's gonna make arte here. Look at these thingies. It's quite scary from afar, but it's actually like holding your jewelry. It says aisle 20, bin 6. Aisle 20. 6! Ayan! So I got the stuff that I needed. It's this clothes rack. That's only 15 bucks. So there's a bunch of them, and I got 2. There's a section in Ikea where you can buy things as is, and it's on sale. So I'm getting this table. It's $9. We got it. So we're gonna check out. That's all the stuff I bought. I bought 2 clothes racks, a table, that thingy, and this phone holder that I've always wanted. And this bag. Okay, so that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for coming with us to Ikea. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Bye!